back to my channel. I know it's been years. Well, I'm back now. So I just created this look. I hope you like it. Keep watching if you want to see how I created this look. So I'm starting off with priming my lids, and I'll be using LA Girl Pro Conceal-Fawn. And I'm just blending it. Next, I'm taking my Morphe Jaclyn palette, and I'm taking this shade, this orange shade, and that will be my transition color. I'm applying it just below my brows. Next, I'm taking this burgundy color just right below the first color I used, and I'm using a smudge brush to apply it. I'm going back in with the first brush I used to blend it in. Going back in with the burgundy shade to intensify the crease color. Next, I'm going back in with my concealer again, but this is in a shade Warm Sand, and I'll just apply it at the center of my lids. I'll use my finger to press it in. Next, I'm taking this mustard yellow from the same Jaclyn palette, and I'll be applying that where I applied the concealer. I have no product in my brush, I'm just blending it out. Next, I'm taking my NYX eyeliner in black. I'm just using it to line my eyes. Next, I'm applying my mascara in Carbon Black, Telescopic. I've applied my lashes. Now for my primer, I'm using this Tach silk canvas. It makes my face really soft and smooth. Now for my foundation, I'm taking this Lancome Tint Idole Longwear foundation. It's a little dark, so I'll be mixing it with MAC Studio Fix. So I'm taking my smaller blending brush to apply the foundation where my big brush can get to. Now to bring in light into some parts of my face, I'm going back in with this early Pro Conceal-Fawn. I'm applying it on my forehead, under my eyes, my nose, and my chin. I'm taking another shade. This is Warm Sand. It's lighter than Fawn. Next, I'm taking this sponge from BH to blend it out. So I'm taking the same sponge with this Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my highlighted areas. I'm just using this brush to dust away the Sacha powder. So for under my eyes, I'm taking these two colors I used for my crease. I'm first going in with the orange. Next, I'm taking this really tiny brush for the burgundy. Next, I'm taking this black Mabrook eyeliner pencil to line my waterline. And I'll be using the same Loreal Telescopic mascara for my bottom lashes. Back to my face, I'm taking a darker shade of powder to contour. Next, I'm taking this Tara Blush in Iriawo. So for my highlight, I'm taking this shade. I'm applying this. I'll be applying this on my cheekbones first. So next, I'm taking Maybeline Master Chrome and I'll be applying it on my cheekbones. Next, for my lip, the first thing I'll be taking is this sleek Pout polish. I've had it for years. I don't know if it's still available. Next, I'm taking this LA Girl pencil in dark brown. This is also an LA Girl product. Every product I used will be written in the description box below. So I'm taking a little of this MAC lip gloss in light pink. Next, I'm taking e.l.f.'s Matte Magic Mist and Set to set my entire face. So this is the final look. I hope you'll enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments. Let me know what you would like to see next, and give it a thumbs up. So I'll see you in my next video.